Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Jogos APK. This application provides a vast library of mobile games, often including titles not readily available elsewhere. We'll cover the essential steps from initial setup to enjoying your favorite games. It's a fantastic way to explore new gaming experiences on your device, offering a convenient and diverse selection for every player, all within a few simple taps. First, locate a trustworthy source for the Top Jogos APK file. Once downloaded, navigate to your device's security settings and enable installations from unknown sources. This crucial step allows your phone to install applications outside of official app stores. Then, simply open the downloaded file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation in just a few moments. Once installed, open Top Jogos to discover its user-friendly interface. You'll find various categories to browse, making it easy to explore different game genres. Use the intuitive search bar to quickly locate specific titles you're interested in. Downloading a game is simple. Just tap on your chosen title, select the download option, and it will be ready to play in a matter of seconds. To ensure the best experience, regularly check for updates to the Top Jogos application. This keeps your app running smoothly and provides access to new features. Remember to manage your device's storage, as games can take up significant space. For an added layer of security and privacy, especially when downloading from third-party sources, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.